Hi and welcome back. I'm GC of the Good Web Business Hosting, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to add a newsletter to your website. So if you're new to the channel, then please subscribe, and what I'll do, I'll keep you updated with the videos that I add on how to build a website online easier. So what I've done is I brought you over to the site builder demo. But obviously, if you're one of my customers, then you'll know how to log into your control panel, and then you'll be able to follow the video from where we go to the content block. So again, like I say, if you're new here, I'll leave you a link in the description so you can find this control panel, and then you'll be able to follow through, add a template, and then see how the newsletter works. So from within the control panel, go to Web Tools, Site Builder, and then that will bring you to this page. Click on Site Builder Demo. This will then log you into all the different templates, and you can click this link and scroll down and see all the templates. But to save time, I'm just going to click on this template here, and then, like I say, you have your welcome guide and then other easier videos to watch, which you can watch them. And like I say, if you're a customer, then from now on you can follow how to add your newsletter. So what we'll need to do is add a content block. So we would click there, and then like I say, this brings this control panel up. And if you either click on content, you can click there and then scroll down, but like I say, we've added a content block. So what we'll need to do is click on apps, and then from apps, you'll need to click on newsletter. And there you go, that actually adds the newsletter to the actual web page. So now what we'll need to do is go here, manage module, and then from within here, you can adjust the actual newsletter. So first of all, we're going to do is go over to configuration, and if you've got an account with us, obviously your company name will be in there anyway. But because we're in the demo, it's just put in just these details. You would add your company name and your address here, and you have to have an address or a PO box address to comply with the Spam Act. So then what you'll need to do is just to look over this. This is already done for you, but obviously, you can change this if you wish. But it all works automatically anyway. So if we scroll down a little bit more, obviously it says it's the welcome message, and then you've got a sending timeout as well. You can read this and it will tell you what it is. I normally just leave it on naught. And then, like I say, when you fill that in, what happens is somebody comes to your newsletter. They decide that they want to see your newsletter, and when they add their email and actually, I can show you here. So they'll come along, they'll put the name and their email and they subscribe, and then what they'll do, they'll receive an email from you, and also they'll have to confirm that they want the email as well, and I will show you how that works inside. So if we go here, manage modules again, we've done the configuration, and then what you can do is send an email. So all you would do is add your newsletter subject line in there. You can also bold, italic, you can add links, images, videos, and like I say, if you come in the demo, you can just play around with these. And then what you can do also is add a banner as your header if you wish. And then what you can do is write your newsletter. And like I say, if you filled in configurations, this will all be filled in for you. And as you can see, they've got an unsubscribe from the list as well, which by law you have to have. You can also add first names to their email if you wish. So all you would do is put, if I just show you, so you would add that as the tag. So you could add that in there. Add that in there, and then like I say, you can write your email and then when you're ready to send it, you just click this and then it will automatically send it out. You can also, obviously because I'm in the demo, I haven't saved any newsletters, but all your different newsletters you're sending out will be saved here, and you can click on them and then you can re-edit them or resend them if you wish. Also, if you click here, you'll see subscribes that are confirmed will come in here, and then also you can click on this link here and you can actually see the ones that haven't confirmed that they want you to send information to them. You can also click on here and you can delete all. If we go back to send newsletter, like I say, it's very simple, but also it works very efficiently. So anyway, this is how you actually add a newsletter to your website, and when you've done all your changes, if you click refresh, it will actually refresh everything that you've saved. Also, if you like how the demo works and you'd like to buy hosting with me, then obviously you can start a new real website here if you click this link. And that's it really. That's how to add a newsletter to your website. Anyway, thanks for watching, and what I'll do, I'll put some more videos online and you'll be able to come and watch them.